Good morning, everyone. I am here again at Universal Studios Hollywood, baby. Oh, yes, it's so good. I want to do a few things here today. I've got a friend who wants to meet up and go see Waterworld. We're going to go check that out around noon, 12:15, but I wanted to get around, rope drop, just to do a few things on the lower lot. Oh, my goodness. I will tell you this. I rode the Mummy. I can't film any of it. I'm going to try to ask at some point, I don't know if it'll be this time, but if I can go film the queue for you guys so you can see it a little bit, because I did that reenactment on the last video. I hope you guys liked it. Let's have a little Jurassic World, baby. Oh my gosh, they're coming. Oh, they're here. And Indominus Rex has returned from behind the black sheet. It's good to be back. I just love coming down here. I feel like I could just hang out in this little section of the park all day. I really like it. Anyway, let's go.
Well, in the early days, we were only concerned with genetically reproductions.
What a great way to start the day. Well, after Mummy, that is. Oh, here we go. Lap bar is cutting in. These lift hills, the steepest I've ever been on. It's like being on Expedition Everest all over again. Have I said that before? I don't know. I did ask for the back row, so the pros sit. Kind of see right there how the actual ride's gonna play out. I do like this because it kind of shows you how it works, right? Done for you there. I like this room a lot too. It's so good. Little sharky. Oh no. Yep. Front row is the roughest on this ride. I think front left might be the worst, but front right is also pretty bad, and I will show you where. You guys are just riding along with me. You're coming along for the whole ride. It's gonna be great. I have to protect you. Protection! Protection! I protect you with my body. Okay. There you go. Hopefully the Mosasaurus never tries to launch itself up and out into this, because that would be real bad. This portion at night is especially great.
One of the latest additions to our Jurassic World family.
They don't have the lighting structure or package on these guys at night right now, or the baby one not so much. So it's really cool to come in the daytime and see them in all their glory. Yeah. Oh wow, you can see how the wind is moving today. Whoa. Okay, a little bit of water's coming this way.
In a moment, you will be entering Predator Cove, home to some of Jurassic World's most powerful creatures.
I like when the Stegosaurus dips its tail in the water. It's really cute. That always scares people every time.
We have a containment alert.
Oh, he's spraying again. That's the mouse here. He did. Now I usually show this area over here, the Raptor paddock and the Indominus Rex paddock, but I want to show you guys this today. Raptor lookout point with the little comp fighting over the hat. Now I think the one in Hollywood has like a downed boat right here and the Dilophosaurus in there, and there'd be like a Mickey Mouse hat floating in the water, which I always wondered how they got away with it. I love it. It's so cool.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Claire Derrick. Please remain calm. We have assets out of containment and elements on the
Hi, Claire.
In the meantime, please,
What if we don't know what an asset is, Claire? She's still using that corporate speak, even in an emergency. That's nice. That nice little T-Rex poster over there. Probably have one over here too. Oh my goodness. Indominus, good morning. I love you. Hey, how you doing? See you up top, okay? Okay, bye. Okay, another steep lift hill. Feel that brace come on you there. Here we go. This is where this ride really kicks it up, and I love it.
Listen to me. Do not panic. If you can see me, I need you to keep your hands inside the boat. The slightest movement will set these animals off.
Okay. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Our boy Sparky! We love you, Sparky! Alright, this is the part where everybody gets wet in the front. Watch the water wall. Check this out. See that? Comes up and over. Oh, Dilophosaurus coming. Defend, defend. I see you there, boy. I see you there. Let's see if Indo's moving. Oh yeah, Indo's moving here. Okay, cool. Good to see that again. Hi! Okay, I'll see you in the next room. Hopefully. Dilophosaurus looking good. Just does this thing and then runs away. Oh, Indo's back! Indo's back! I repeat, I can't speak. Indominus Rex is back! Ah, yes! Howdy, gorgeous! Here we go. Oh, it's so good. Last time she was behind a big black sheet. Hi, you're so gorgeous. You're so close. Oh my gosh. Ah, it's a T-Rex. All right, everybody. Here we go. Oh. Took some water right to the face. Amazing, amazing, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my gosh. So good. Yep. There you go. There's a little bit of a backseat view of Jurassic World the ride. I love it. Indominus Rex is back. I'm so happy. Yes. I missed her so much. I've really taken a shine to Indominus Rex. Do not tell Lily. Do not tell Lily. Well, I didn't get as wet on there as I thought I would. See, look at you know, the legs, they're not, you guys have seen me front row, what that's like. Usually that's really bad, but back row, I'm telling you, it's the place to be. If you can get back row on Jurassic World the ride, you're not gonna get as wet. Your front row though, especially left or right, oh, especially that second little drop, or well, I guess, yeah, second drop, you know, kind of that second lift hill, go down there, oh, man, you'll get messed up. Just keep that in mind. Just keep it in mind, okay?
How are you today?
I'm fine, how are you and Sierra?
Oh, we're doing great.
Good.
She's doing really well today.
Yeah, she's looking bigger.
Oh yeah, she gets a little bigger every day. She's growing fast.
Yeah.
By the time she's 3 years old, she'll be 10 foot tall and 14 feet long. So.
Oh, you're adorable. How is she eating? Is she doing well, you know, diet-wise?
She eats a lot of mice right now.
A lot of mice,
yeah.
okay.
As she gets a little bit bigger, we'll start going to chickens and pigs and then goats when she's fully grown.
Perfect. Yeah. Well, it's good to see you again. What's your name?
Chris.
Chris, Jimmy.
Jimmy,
Thank
nice
you, Chris.
To meet you, Jimmy.
Sierra, good to see you. Hopefully see you guys again.
Say bye.
Bye, guys. I'm back on the upper lot. Studio tram tour is dead ahead. However, I want to go check stuff out in Hogsmeade, see what the wait times are like over there for Forbidden Journey and Flight of the Hippogriff. Yes, this is a great little sneaky, I call it like a back way. It's not really a back way, but it's just so cool. I do like it. Oh, this might be the lineup here for Ollivanders, actually. Oh boy, that might really be. It's intense. One of these days, I might do that. My sister was saying, Katie, you guys know Katie on the channel. She talked about, you know, getting me a wand, doing the whole experience. But maybe not today. Oh my gosh. Durmstrang boys out doing their thing. One just like kicked off a wall and stuff. That's pretty cool though.
Eternal glory. That is what awaits the winner of the Triwizard Tournament.
Oh.
Only one
I want to win that.
will hoist the Chalice of Champions.
Chalice of Champions.
The Vessel of Victory.
Hey,
the
Bobbins.
Triwizard Cup.
Oh. Cool. I love this, and I also love the Toad Choir. Yeah. For people who've seen it, you know what I'm talking about. I'll try to capture it sometime. Doesn't look like we'll have time for this today. Flight of the Hippogriff setting at 45 minutes, and then over here Forbidden Journey. 55-minute wait. Actually not that bad. However, that cherry picker ride system messes me up every time, so maybe it's best that I can't just sneak in here today, you know? One thing I think I've missed a few times coming in here is this big sign for New York City, home of the 1964 World's Fair. Oh my gosh, this makes me think of Disney immediately. Any of our 64, 65 World's Fair fans out there? I actually met somebody a while ago who actually was working the 1964-65 World's Fair. That was so crazy. It was so cool to talk to her. It was like, oh my gosh, what was it like? But yeah, just a little thing to appreciate on your way in to Universal Studios Hollywood. Waterworld time, baby. Uh-oh. Here come the smokers. I love a minigun. I really do.
Then I need to know the way to dry land. Dry land! So the name of the game is the first one who speaks lives.
Leave him alone. He doesn't know anything.
Well, that makes you the winner. Helen, don't tell him anything. Then that guy, the loser, drop him. Now you see.
Brutal. Many things are happening.
Don't train that guy. Shut up. Hey, come on. Will you fix this thing? She's getting away. Jumping!
I love it when the rocket launchers come out.
Man, do us all a favor. And stand in one spot! Use each other as a shield. I don't like Chuck. Oh, you're not going anywhere, Helen. Not with the hole in your boat. No. You're ruining everything. Mama can die.
Here it comes. It's gonna be okay, right? That'll fly. So good. Yes. Look at that beautiful fire. Gorgeous.
And so the Deacon's threat has ended.
Waterworld. What an incredibly cool stunt show. I really enjoy it. Kind of gives me the feelings or the thoughts, the vibes, if you would, of the Indiana Jones Stunt Spectacular, but with like a bunch of water and jet skis and stuff. On a technical level, it's insane to me, and I love that it's still around. Now, I've never seen Waterworld in its entirety, but it makes me want to go watch it. So maybe I will. Let me know if you've actually seen not only the stunt show, but if you've actually seen the movie. I'd really love to hear about it. Either way, I hope you enjoyed hanging out here today at Universal Studios Hollywood. I appreciate you coming along with me. And a huge thanks to everybody who's been liking and commenting. It means a heck of a lot. I have a ton of videos that I've been trying to get out over time. Let me know too if like 1 a week's good, maybe 2 a week. I don't know. You tell me. Either way, I appreciate you being here today. And also, thank you so much to our patrons. You guys are the best. Either way, until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye-bye.